Alright, here we go, class. Here we go. What's up, everybody? How you doing? There you go. Alright, so this is basically your homework for today, right? And what's your homework for today? It's 7-72. Okay? You got two graphs. Alright, you got two graphs right here. Okay? All you got to do is says describe the association in two graphs below. Remember to describe the form, the direction, and the outliers. So here we go. We got graph number 1. Yeah. So graph number 1 has the x coordinates as the time, the days, okay, and the amount of mold on cheese. Ugh. So basically what we're doing is we want to find out the association. So if you notice, this graph is kind of going up, 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 up. So it's a positive association, right? So graph 1. So go ahead and write that. Graph 1 has a positive association. Okay? But also, if you notice, it's not quite a straight line. So basically it's called nonlinear. Has a positive nonlinear. I forgot to mention that. It's a positive nonlinear because it's not quite a straight line, scatter plot, right? So it's positive, but it's nonlinear. And does it have any outliers? Yeah, it has one. Where is it? Boom! Right there. Yeah, that's your outlier right there. Right? So there's your outlier. Boom, right there. So we also write it has one outlier. That was pretty simple. That was 7-72. Okay? There you go. It has one outlier. Here we go. What about B? I mean, graph 2. What about graph 2? Tell me about it. So what this says is, it says that as the days increase, the amount of mold on cheese also increases, right? And graph 2, if you look at graph 2, that's more of a linear. If you notice, it's kind of you could depict that it's actually going to go up, right? It doesn't curve or anything, and it's not going up like this graph. So it's actually, you see it's a scatter plot, so it's a positive linear association with no outliers. No outliers. There you go. That's it. That's that one. All right. All right, the next one. So the next one has this graph for you, right? And basically the graph says, well, what does the direction say? Not the graph says. What is that? It says, Ella and her study team are arguing about the slope of the line. Ella says, my line is correct. No, your line is not. My slope is correct. Hey, my slope is correct. Your slope is correct. So all these people are arguing. No, my slope. I say mine's is 3/4. Mine's is -4/3. Oh, la mía es -3/4. Hey, no Spanish here. Mine is 4/3. Well, who's right? Well, I don't know. So let's check it out. So what do you got to do? You want the slope, right? So what do we got to do is we got to write for 7-73 the slope. M is a change in y over the change of x, right? So remember, the change in y goes up or down, and the x goes right or left. So let's go ahead and check it out. Right here we go. So then what we do is, let's pick a point. Where do you want to pick a point? Right here? No, right there. Yeah, right there. It's cool. What's another point? Right there. Yeah, that's cool. So the change in y. So we know, first of all, it's a negative, right? Because it's going from left to right downward. So that's going to be a negative. So we could eliminate two of the answers. So one of them Hey, the 3/4 is. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. Hey, mine was -4/3. Well, that could possibly be right. El mío es -3/4. Oh, no Spanish here. Oh, ¿por qué no? I don't know. And mine is 4/3. So then what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and find out. See which one. There's all these 4 options, right? So let's go. We know we can't use this one, and we can't use. Hey, what's that? Oh, okay, I'm wrong. It's between that Spanish guy. Hey, ¿por qué? Hey, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? And hey, yeah, I got that one too. Let's see. So let's see. Here we go. So the change in y up and down, we're gonna go how many? 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3/4. Hey, he got it right. Oh man. Oh, pues claro que sí. I got it right. I know my stuff. There you go. So there's your slope. There's your answer. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy. All right, here we go. So what else? What else? All right, so now the next one, and that's it, I guess. That was it. So it's -4/3. There we go. That's it. All right, later.